In the previous video, we created our first interactive rich filters dashboard. It already lets us switch between all work items and our video work items with a single click. Now, let's make the dashboard even more useful by adding dynamic filters. Unlike static filters, which apply predefined filters, dynamic filters let dashboard users explore the data for themselves. Instead of creating separate dashboards for every team member or priority level, users can filter the same dashboard with just a few clicks. Open the Technical Communications Rich Filter. Select the Dynamic Filters tab. In the Pick a Field dropdown, start typing Assignee and select it from the list. Now, return to the Technical Communications dashboard. Notice that the Rich Filter controller now includes an Assignee filter. I'll select Jeff and click the Apply button. The Results gadget immediately updates to show only Jeff's 19 work items. Instead of creating separate dashboards for every team member, one dashboard serves the entire team. Now, let's add another dynamic filter. Return to the Rich Filter configuration. This time, add the Priority field and then return to the dashboard. Now I'll select High Priority and apply the change. Rich Filters combines both filters automatically, so we're now looking at only Jeff's 4 high priority work items. Let's add one more dynamic filter for status. Return to the dashboard one final time and select In Progress. Apply the filter, and we're down to just 2 work items that match all 3 conditions. With just a few clicks, we've narrowed the dashboard from every technical communications work item down to exactly the work we want to see. That's the power of dynamic filters. They help every dashboard user quickly find the information that's most relevant to them. In the next video, we'll introduce smart filters, which provide one-click access to your most common searches and make your dashboards even easier to use.